everybody, welcome to Fishing in White House, Jamaica Fisherman Tale. I'm your host, Maya Campbell. International viewers and subscribers, it is a pleasure to have you here with us on this platform once more. Guys, remember to eat fish. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So guys, listen up. Today's video is a little bit different than what you're actually accustomed to. So today what I did, basically I've made a decision for us to actually go on a mini excursion in Black River St. Elizabeth today. So today we are going to tour Black River Safari. Yes, so we're going to tour the Black River Safari. We are going to look at the wildlife and the crocodile nursery. So for the persons who actually wish to come to St. Elizabeth, you want to view attraction in St. Elizabeth, you're a nature lover, you like ecotourism, and you are concerned about wildlife, marine conservationists, as well as wildlife protection. Guys, I am definitely going to recommend that you visit the Black River Safari. Yes guys, so basically the tour is approximately an hour tour, right? So it's a tour that is filled with safari experience, wildlife experience, nature experience, and oftentimes, let me explain to you, you may feel as if you want to unwind, you want to be in nature. There are some persons who love nature, right? So you're going to come and experience what Black River Safari has to offer to you. Now, for the persons who are actually wondering what's the cost to come to Black River Safari in St. Elizabeth, people, listen to me, bet you're not going to tell me how much it costs. Now, for you to visit currently, as it is in the year 2025, the fee is basically $16 US. When you do the calculation in Jamaica, that's approximately $2,400 per person. So when you're coming, ensure that you take a government ID, a national ID, along with the fee, so you come and pay the fee. So this is the receipt that you're gonna get once you've paid the fee. So guys, listen up, you're going on the tour, you're going to come with us to experience nature, just to have an appreciation of what nature's mean to us humans, and for us to be mindful and protective of nature. Follow me guys, let's go. Alright, so guys, everybody's lining up, making preparation for the tour, right? So we have the vessel that is going to take us on the tour. Alright, so this is the vessel, guys. So everybody's actually making preparation to go on the vessel, right? So this is the vessel. Alright, so that's the vessel that we're going to travel on to get to the river. Alright, so this is it, guys. Right? So this is the view. Right? So this is it. So we're going to travel on this vessel to go up the river, adjacent to the safari, the fisherman fishing area already. So this is it. So everybody's making preparation for the excursion, basically, right? So we're going to go on this vessel, right? So this is the vessel, as you can see. So the boat captain is actually making preparation before boarding the vessel, right? So this is an essential part of the process. So this is how it entails. So he's making preparation for the chairs, all right? So we can be seated. So this is what it looks like, guys.
I'm gonna punch your wristbands before you guys board. You can come again.
Alright, so before we board, the wristbands will be punched, right? So this is the process, guys. Alright, so the wristbands must be punched before boarding. Alright, so here am I. I'm gonna get mine punched as well, guys. Alright, so it has been punched. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so we're going on. So we've been on it. Alright, so guys, so the wristband was punched, right? So you can actually see where a punch was made, right? Whenever you're going on the tour at the Black River Safari, please ensure that you wear your life vest. So guys, ensure that you practice safety. Wear your life vest. It's safety and it's priority, and it's a best practice. So ensure that you wear your life vest. It saves life, right? We're going on the tour, so you can actually get a feeling of what the tour entails. So it's a wildlife tour, and you're going to get an experience, right? So this is what it looks like, guys. So we're going on the tour, right? So this this is it, guys. This is the view. Remember, it is a nature tour, safari tour, and it's lovely for the persons who are into ecotourism.
So presently, we are on the Black River. This is Jamaica's longest navigable river. It is 44 miles long. It starts in the Cockpit country in Trelawney. It empties into the Caribbean Sea here at the bridge. The average depth of the river is between 18 to 20 feet, or about 5 or 6 meters. So I hope everyone can swim. The reason why the river is called Black River is because of the type of soil which is found at the bed of the river. It's called the peat soil or the peat moss. It gives off a dark reflection. So further upstream, I'll show you how clear the water is. Now the birds you're looking at across here on the right, they are called egret. Locally, they are known as lolly. The reason for the birds to nest in this area behind us, that's the local fish market. So once those small birds come from the sea, they'll have some food to get. So this is a good spot to stay for the easy meal. Come here, Reggie. Come this side.
Alex.
Hey, big boy. Come here.
Alex, gang through to mommy.
Turn around, Reggie. Come here. Reggie, come here. Come here. Come. Turn around. Come. Jump like that. No, we need that. Yeah, it's before the door.
Big man.
Come on, big guy. Come here. Would anyone like to take a ride on its back?
No, thank you.
Sister volunteer.
It will only take you to places you've never been before. White mangrove, small leaves, and they are brighter in color. Red mangrove have much bigger leaves and also have those area roots that goes into the water, which takes up all the minerals and nutrients for the tree, more like a giant straw. Oh, the red one. vegetation you can see floating in the river, the plant is called water hyacinth, which was introduced from Brazil, as it provides a good breeding habitat for our freshwater shrimp. Now, however, the plant, it has become a pest to us. Because of its rapid growth, it grows and blocks the river channel. So we have some men upstream, they'll cut it and it floats to sea, which dies in the stronger salt water. Well, apart from it has the breeding habitat for shrimp, at one point manatees used to eat when we had manatees on the river, but they migrated to Mangrove. It is now said that there's less than 100 manatees within Jamaica. This location of the river we call here broad water. This is the widest area of the river. So we have two rivers in front of us. We have the Black River. On the right we have the Salt Spring River. So this afternoon we're going to the Salt Spring location, where we are more likely to see some more crocodiles.
Let me ask you a question. Hi. Why is it called Salt Spring?
This Salt Spring.
Okay, so a community. Okay. So guys,
no, that one that is liquid sunshine. The Black River main stream in the early 1900, it was used as a form of transportation to transport goods from the wetlands towards the dock where we are coming from. Goods such as rum, pimento for making spice, sugar, cattle skin or cow skin for leather, and also the logwood. Now from the logwood you'll get a dye, it's called the indigo blue, that was used for staining clothes. And throughout this time, Black River became a very popular town, which was the first town in Jamaica to receive electric light, a motor car, and also the telephone, which was invented in 1876 by Alexander Bell. Then brought to the island 24 years. Up to 60 eggs. 95% of the eggs hatch are come to life, but only about 5% make it through the first year. Birds, big fish, and other proximate babies, when they hatch from the eggs, they are small, just about 6 to 9 inches in length. So if they make it through the first 5 years, they can live up to and over 100 years. As they get longer, are entering what we call here avenue, as it forms a canopy similar to our bamboo avenue. If you make it, if you want to get a bit footage, so these are all red one-foot trees, the ones that have roots going into the water. In the early 1900s, the bark or skin of red mangrove was used for making the type of dye which we call tanning. And that was used for wooden floors, furniture, and for steaming leather.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. International viewers and subscribers come to Jamaica and visit, say to the visit of course. Definitely have to check out the safari to experience nature. Alright guys, so we're here. Alright? So guys, come and check out the safari. It's really, really nice.
As I said, we're in mating season.
So whenever you come to St. Elizabeth, definitely check out Black River Safari. Come and enjoy the tour. Guys, I did. You like, share, and subscribe to the content. International viewers and subscriber, thank you for support my channel. Bye, Tails.